Hi there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jasmine McDonald and I post ballet and fitness related videos every single Tuesday, Thursday, and now Sunday. Today's arm workout will consist of 40 seconds on, 10 seconds off of movement. So let's get started with some easy swan arms for 40 seconds. Make sure your back is nice and straight, belly button is moving to your spine, core is engaged, and enjoy. Have fun with this. And finishing the swan arms. Next sequence, we'll be taking our arms through fifth to first, opening to second, and back up to fifth, using our side space and our front space. Make sure your shoulders aren't lifting up to your ears. Keep your back tall, and you're going to feel this in your biceps. Make sure when you take your hands facing the front that your elbows, the insides of them, are also facing the front. Keep going. And we're going to try to keep our arms lifted this entire time. It's much more difficult to keep your arms lifted. Don't let them rest for a second. And now take them out to the side, and we're going to be doing little arm circles with our arms straight out. Make sure you're not hyperextending your elbows. There's a little bit of a bend there. Let's keep going. Same thing, try to keep your arms out to the side. No rest for this, just for an extra challenge. If you absolutely need to, definitely take a breather and take your arms across body just to stretch them out or let them relax. Next, we have arm pulses in the back, palms facing behind you and trying to meet your hands towards one another. It's not technically possible for a lot of people, but we're trying, keeping our back straight. Don't let your ribs flare open. Keep going. Finishing in 3, 2, 1. I was shaking for the last half of that, so definitely give yourself a rest. Move on to your front on your belly, and we're going to be lifting our arms and our legs for our back. Make sure that you're pulling your belly button up off the floor or trying to, so that you don't sacrifice the health of your low back. Lifting your arms up and down with your legs simultaneously. Keep going. And relax. Next one, we have our hands behind our head, and similarly we lift both our arms and our legs, but now we're going to twist our shoulders to face one way, tapping our elbow towards the front and back. So twisting, looking at the front and down. Again, second side, switching from one side to the next. Keep going. Next exercise for our shoulders, you're going to squeeze a block between your forearms or a pillow or a roller if you don't have a block, and you're going to bend your elbows at 90 degrees. You're going to lift them up and down, palms facing towards each other. Keep your belly button moving to your spine so your back is really, really straight. Keep going. This one's also really difficult, but really good for your shoulder mobility. And relax, take 10 seconds to breathe, grab some water if you need. Next one, we're going to be doing a low plank on our elbows for 40 seconds in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Low plank for 40 seconds.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away. Yeah, I'm about to fade away.
And relax. You guys are done this workout. Feel free to repeat it if you want an extra burn. Thanks so much for joining me. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Stay safe. Happy dancing. Thanks again for joining me. I hope you feel super strong. Take care and bye now.
Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you